Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, how to lock your WhatsApp chats. It adds an extra layer of security to your private conversations. So, let's dive right in. Before we begin, make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed. Now, launch WhatsApp on your iPhone. Choose the specific chat you want to lock. For example, let's go with this one. Tap and hold the chat. And then, small pop-up will appear. And select Lock Chat. Here, you'll find the option to enable Face ID lock. Once you toggle it on, it will prompt you for Face ID authentication. Once authenticated, the button turns green, indicating that the chat is now locked. Locked chats will no longer appear on the main inbox page. To access them, simply scroll up, and you'll see a section called Locked Chats at the top. Tap on it, authenticate with Face ID, and voila! You'll see a list of all your locked chats. And there you have it. Locking your WhatsApp chats with Face ID is a simple yet effective way to enhance your privacy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks.